Hello everyone, it's Michael, and I'm going to show you how to clean the Canon lens front. I'm going to use the Canon 17-85 lens as an example. As we normally see, there's always some dust inside the lens glass. So my tool is very simple. I set a very small screwdriver. Normally it can be get from a couple dollars at Dollar Tree or like $3 at Daiso. So let's use one of the flat one to open the lens front. If you see under the word USM, there's a little mark here. So I'm using the screwdriver to remove that and open it. Slowly peel it off. But be sure you know where your align is. So what I remember is here, the image facing to the 17-85. So after I come back, I know where that. After that, normally there are three of the screws, 1, 2, 3. Using the cross one to remove that. If the lens never been repaired before, the screw is sealed with a glue, but it's very easy to open that. Make sure we have all the screws collected, but not losing that. Okay. Don't be afraid by using the fingers because we are going to clean the lens front anyway later. So remove that. When you hear click, do this. Okay. This giant glass is removed. Normally the lens dust is on this glass. Get a better cleaning towel. Don't use any paper towel, just the lens cleaning towel to clean that. And also the inner side of the giant glass. And make sure there's no visible dust. And after that, put it back. Use finger to press it and then turn it. Now let's go back to apply the screws. Actually, the screws here, there's no special location or preset location. The function of the screw is only to hold the lens. So as long as we find the location, it's fine. Make sure the screws have been screwed in all the way down, so later the seal will be flat. Okay, before we seal it, make sure we clean the glass thoroughly because we use the finger to touch it. Okay, the seal has the pre-made screw there. It's not very sticky, but it's sticky enough to hold the seal. So remember the image facing the word 17-85. Apply this and then using the towel to firmly seal it. Okay, clean, right? And this way is only good for Canon lens, whichever has a seal on that. For some of the Nikon one, there's no seal and also need two mark here. We need a special tool to hold it and remove it. But I'm going to do the review next time for this. Thank you.